Are you still doing this? If you wanted to filter a column in a table, what you do is create a filter by Ctrl-Shift-L. Then manually select the needed information from the filtered column. Follow this quick and easy way to do this filtering option faster than ever. To be able to insert this slicer, first, you need to convert your range into a table. To do that, simply press Ctrl-T. Then you will see the selection of range you wanted to create a table for. Once the table was converted or created, you can now insert the slicer. To insert the slicer, go to the table design. Then select Insert Slicer. Then select the column names you wanted to filter. Then click OK. This will insert a separate table as shown. You can align the table. Then choose how you want it to be presented. There you go! You have now created a dynamic filtering option. Test it out. Follow for more videos like this.